Bitcoin does not need a new headline to fall faster once the first drop starts. Sometimes the market manufactures its own selling pressure. The ingredient is leverage. A trader can control a position much larger than the collateral sitting behind it. That feels efficient on the way up. On the way down, it creates a trapdoor. Here is the starting state. Imagine Bitcoin slips a few percent. For an unleveraged holder, that is just an uncomfortable red candle. For a highly leveraged long, the same move can push account equity toward the maintenance margin required by the exchange. If that threshold is breached, the venue can automatically close part or all of the position. A voluntary seller can wait. A liquidation cannot negotiate with the market. That is where a normal decline can become reflexive. Long liquidations create additional sell flow. That selling can push price lower, which puts the next group of leveraged longs under pressure. Their positions are then reduced or closed, adding more flow. If order book depth is thin at the same time, each forced trade can move price farther than it would in calmer conditions. One domino does not guarantee the whole row falls, but a crowded row is a different problem. The base case is boring. Bitcoin dips, traders reduce risk, and available liquidity absorbs the selling. The bull case for stability is deeper liquidity, lower leverage, and enough voluntary buyers to interrupt the chain. The bear case is a crowded, leveraged market where several liquidation thresholds sit close together and market depth deteriorates as volatility rises. Then the mechanism becomes price down, margin stress up, forced selling up, price down again. This is also why the exact liquidation number on your favorite dashboard is less useful than the mechanism. Those numbers change every minute and differ by venue. The durable questions are simpler. How much leverage is embedded in positions? How close are traders to maintenance margin? How much real liquidity is available when everyone wants the exit at once? There are limits. Not every sharp Bitcoin move is caused by liquidations. News, spot selling, options hedging, macro shocks, and plain old panic can start or dominate a decline. And short liquidations can create the same feedback loop in the opposite direction during a rally. The human stake is leverage risk. You can be right about Bitcoin over 5 years and still be liquidated on a 5-minute path you did not survive. The calm verdict. When a small dip suddenly becomes a waterfall, do not assume a new fundamental story appeared. Sometimes leverage turns price movement into its own catalyst.